Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see transform your Google Sheets. That means like how to remove those grid lines. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheet. Okay, so here you can see all the grid lines in the Google Sheet. Okay, suppose if you want this page to look more professional by removing those grid lines, means we should know like how to remove those grid lines. Okay, so here you can see so many cells. So collectively these cells we call it as grid lines. Okay, so now let's try to see like how we can remove those grid lines. Okay, suppose if you want to remove these grid lines, means for that what you can do is like here you can click on the option called view and select the option called show. Okay, so here you can see the formula bar, grid lines, formulas and all. So all the options are check mark here. Suppose if you select this particular option, suppose if you uncheck this particular option grid lines, so now you can see all the grid lines has been removed from your Google Sheet. Okay, so this is how you can just remove those grid lines in the Google Sheet. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.